Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing your footage and the new sky image. This is where precision matters. First, drag both into the timeline and place the sky image above the clip on a higher track so you can see layering behavior. Make sure the sky image matches resolution and frame size. If not, use the transform tool to scale to fill. Once done, duplicate the original clip to isolate tests. This protects your edit while you proceed to keying and masks. Now you remove the original sky using a mask and key. Choose the draw mask for complex shapes or the keyer for clear blue skies. Trace the horizon and important foreground edges, then feather the mask by about 15 to 40 px to soften the transition. Next, place the new sky layer underneath and adjust its color and exposure so it matches the scene. This prevents a pasted look. Make sure to keyframe mask path if the camera moves, otherwise edges will finish by refining blend and motion so the sky feels native. Apply match color or curves to both layers. Reduce opacity of the sky slightly if needed, and nudge hue until highlights and shadows align. If the camera moves, keyframe position and scale on the sky layer, or parent it to attract null so parallax looks correct. Finally, render and watch full screen. If seams appear, check the matte edge, rerun the keyer with different settings, or refine mask points to eliminate halos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.